In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and tapping on red button at the bottom to start. Then choose allow. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Now take a pic. Hit on this X to discard it or this check mark to add it. If you want to get rid of your recording right away, hit cancel at the top left corner and pick don't save. To save it though, hit save at the top right one. Name it. Hit save here, and to play it, click on it on the list. To manage it, use all of those options and those three dots at the top right corner. You can also go back, hold it here, and use all of those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!